Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paulina, or Travel with Thor, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys on how you can apply for Spara Jobs Department on board cruise ship. I know you guys have been trying to look for these positions, and most of the time, apart from MSC Cruises and maybe Royal Caribbean Cruises that do post those positions on their website, others cruise line don't. The reason they don't is because they have hiring partners. The same way, when you're looking for a sales or retail job, you have to go for either Hardings or Starboard. The same apply with Spars department position, just like such as massage, hairdresser, nail technician, etc. So today I'm going to be showing you a website that is going to change your life if you want to embark to that career on board cruises. So guys, without wasting any time, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Make sure that this bell icon is on so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Also guys, try to share this video with your friends or people who you feel they need it. So what you need to do, I'm gonna leave the link of this website on the description of this video. I won't forget. So let's get into it. So this is the website. It's called London Wellness Academy, and this is where you get to apply for those positions. So as you can see, they say embark on a life-changing journey, and you can read through. Okay, as you can see, they have a lot of things. These are world-class spa, salon, and fitness courses. So this is where you get to apply for these jobs. Okay, you get to apply for these jobs, and if you apply with them, one thing you have to know is you will have to go for your trainings in either South Africa or London. So if you're Kenyan, if you're from Uganda, Tanzania, or any other part of the world, if you apply a job with them, you will have to go for your trainings in South Africa or London. So and all the expenses incurred are on you. They are not going to pay for that, but immediately when you go through that training and you pass, they're just going to place you into the job that you want in either of those cruises, that is Carnival, be it Princess, be it Royal Caribbean Cruises, all cruises actually, apart from MSC Cruises. And so guys, let's get into it. If you have any question, you can leave it on the description box of the on the comment section of this video. So there's this place where they ask about here there's the onboard career, there's the experience, there's accommodation, there's living expenses, there's global recruitment. So these are the positions that they have. Okay, these are the positions they have. They have massage therapist job, beauty therapist jobs at the sea, hairdressers jobs, nail technicians job, fitness personal trainers job, medi and spas at the sea, acupuncturist jobs, where I don't know what is that, but anyway, that one. And then what do we need to do? Let's see, beauty therapist jobs in the sea. So for this one, we just need to read through. And one thing, guys, about one thing you have to know about these positions for beauty therapist, you must have a certificate. I know most of us, maybe you have experience as a nail technician and you never went to school. Maybe you learned it through a salon that you're working for. With this specific one, they are very strict because you're going to be dealing with people, you're going to be dealing with the skin of human beings, and you're just like a doctor, so they want someone who have gone through training, proper training. So if you don't have a certificate, if you don't have a school certificate, then they will not take you actually. So if you have, for example, experience as a nail technician, I will advise you to join any college for a few months. Vela Beauty College, I'm not advertising them, but that is one of the colleges that you can join. or any college that you find affordable to you and near you. You can join and train maybe for 6 months, 3 months, depending on your experience, for you to get that certificate, for you to be certified as a nail technician, as a massage therapist, as a facial therapist, and all those positions. So this is what they say: the ideal candidate must possess through knowledge of the skin and the body, while at least having excellent practical techniques, cleanness and sanitation skills, as well as being willing to train in our specific massage, facial, and online treatment offerings. So guys, you have to go through this training. If you get a job with them, if they give you a job offer, you'll have to go through training and pass the training. The training is around 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how good you are, and it happens either in South Africa or in London. The last person I talked to, that is Joyce, who has been working in the cruise line as a massage therapist for the longest time. She told me it costs around 70,000 Kenya shillings. You'll have to incur like 70,000 Kenya shillings to go to South Africa to do the training. So what you just need to do is to apply for it. Okay. So as you can see, they have given you like everything you need to know. Let me start here. Working as a beauty therapy at the sea. You can see they have told you what you need to know, what makes a good beauty therapist. In beauty therapy, communication matters. Beauty therapist job description. So as you can see, this is what you need to know. You can go through it before you do the application, just to have an idea, and it will make you like what do you call it? It will make your interviews easier. And one thing I have to point out is you don't have to have experience, like on-hand experience. As long as, even if you're a fresh graduate from school, they are going to take you through the trainings, that is the 3 or 2 weeks training, either in South Africa or in London. And then after that, they're going to give you, if you pass that, they're going to give you the job. So this is an opportunity for you guys to do that. And as usual, my what I want is you guys to do the application, get the jobs, and have better lives, So this is all you need to know. But here there is a place where this is how you apply actually. You need to fill in all this. Okay, so let me try to do that with my words, my names. Okay, I'm not applying for any jobs, but I want to give you a tutorial on how you can apply for it. So there's a beauty therapist, massage therapist, hairdresser, nail technician, fitness instructors, or personal trainers. Actually, I have a friend of mine who is in Dubai. He has been a fitness instructor or a personal trainer for a very long time. And recently he sent me his CV. He wanted me to help him with the applications. So I know where to go for. After this video, I'm going to go back to this website and try to help him apply for the fitness instructor or for personal trainer positions. You guys also who are watching this video and maybe you're a fitness instructor, you can go ahead and apply. Okay, so, and again, you don't need to have experience as a beauty therapist. When I mean experience, you don't have to have worked for 1 year, 2 years for them to give you a job. As long as you have gone through school, like you've gone to a beauty beauty school, you can apply for these jobs after graduation, because again, you will need those school certificate to show that you've been taught or you've gone through training for these specific positions. So let's go for a nail technician. So here you have to fill your first name. You guys know my name, so you're gonna say Trevor Thu. That's my name, Trevor with Thu. I'm a female. Are you over age 18 and above? Oh yes, actually, another thing for this specific position, the spa position, you just need to be 18 years and above. It's not like the other position in a cruise line where they require you to be 21 years and above. For this specific one, you just need to be 18 years and above. So if, for example, you have finished your high school when you're 18, you went to college for 1 year or 2 years, so you're around 19 or 20, you can apply for these jobs. And then here we have to put our email. Sorry guys for that. So I'll just put travelwithdhuru@gmail.com. You guys have that email. So I'm doing this for the purpose of the video. Then we click next. So the second page, this is where, what is your country of residence? You just come here and scroll down, and I think they have done things easier for us. So if you're from any part of Africa, you just need to click Africa and you're good. Do you have a passport? Yes, I do. Which is your country of birth? Then here you have to scroll down, you know. Kawaida, I'm Kenyan. If you're Nigerian, you click Nigerian. If you're from Ghana, you click Ghana. If you're from Zambia, you click Zambia, and so forth, so on. Do you have a criminal record? No, I don't have. So here you get to just apply to upload your resume and then confirm that you have read and understood the privacy statement, which is accessible in the website, and then send. That's it, nothing else. You've done your application. It's just simple, and then wait. Okay, so it's not that much complicated, and it's easy for you guys to do the applications. If you have problem with your CVs, you can reach out to me. If you want also me to help you with the application, why not? So guys, I hope this video will be helpful to you, and you're going to do this application and secure a position for you. Guys, if you have any question, please leave those questions on the comment section. If you'd love me to do a video for a specific topic, please do leave comment also on the comment section, and I'm definitely going to do that. So thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure that your bell icon is on so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. My voice is not voicing, so I'll have to end the video, and see you in our next one. Bye bye guys.